So I'm going to see how easy it is to install this grill insert, getting ready for 4th of July. Wanted to deck out the Jeep a little bit, and the instructions, 3 steps. So we'll see if this is actually as easy as it looks. Apparently all you need is a panel removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. We'll see which one we end up using. First step is to remove the push clips, and it looks like we got those here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I started to put it in, but these pieces right here were kind of blocking it. So you got to center it up to where, you see that right there? Then there's the similar on that side, down right here. And then you got your snaps at the bottom that still have to go in. So just make sure that you got all that lined up. You can kind of hear them snap in place. Now we put our push pins back. All right, so I got my replacement one here. See how well it works. Perfect. All right, so that's pretty much the installation. Well, here's the final result. I think it looks amazing. I love the American flag colors with the Gecko Green. Just fits with the military theme of the star on the side. Love it.